Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the top choices for above-ground pools. The Bestway Power Steel 24-foot by 12-foot by 52-inch rectangular pool set.
This isn't just any pool. It's one of the best 52-inch deep pools you can find on the market right now.
Let's kick things off by highlighting what makes this pool set a standout choice.
It comes equipped with a robust 1500 GPH sand filter pump, ensuring crystal clear water all season long. The steel frame construction with a seal and lock system offers exceptional durability and stability, making it reliable for years to come.
The pool features a Tritech enhanced 3-ply PVC liner,
which not only adds to its stability but also ensures a strong support band for the pool walls.
Assembling this pool is surprisingly easy. No tools are needed to connect the hose to the flow control valve,
which makes setup and takedown hassle-free. Whether you're looking to lounge with family or enjoy a swim workout, this pool accommodates all ages and activities. Its stainless steel material ensures resistance to corrosion and wear, promising longevity even with regular use. Before you decide to purchase, remember to check your wall rules and local regulations, as not all areas permit private above-ground pools.
It's always good to be informed about any restrictions that might apply.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for a spacious, durable, and easy-to-assemble above-ground pool that's perfect for family fun and relaxation, the Bestway Power Steel 24 feet by 12 feet by 52 rectangular pool set should definitely be on your radar.
It's designed to deliver a premium swimming experience right in your backyard.
That wraps up our review of this fantastic pool set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.